did. She already did it by herself. Did you hear her? She's like, I am tired. Will you leave me alone? Now you're hitting my back. She could spit up all over me and we did have a burp cloth. I'll show you things here in that drawer maybe.
Oh, I just burp cloths in there. Do we not bring burp cloth?
I did.
Burp cloths?
In my bag for her.
Look at you. Had your first meal. You're looking right at me.
She did so good, huh?
You gonna know me when there's not a camera up?
She's like, that's
Hi.
your face.
Hi, Coraline. Gonna burp. Gonna burp. She's like, this is wonderful. I love this. She's like, okay, I'm done.
She's doing good.